Hey guys, my name is Ayana and this is my channel. Here I share with you guys DIY ideas with tips and tricks on how to refashion and upcycle to create those unique looks. I do a bit of everything on this channel because I've learned clothing isn't the only thing you can upcycle or refashion. You have your clothing, accessories, even those home decors. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe and let the refashioning and upcycling begin. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys how I took a cheap variety store slippers and refashioned it into this cute custom designer slipper. So it's pretty easy, pretty cheap, easy on the pocket. For this project, I used the slipper I purchased from my variety store. Cheap, cha-ching, these assorted glittered colored pipe cleaners. I used an old chain from my jewelry kit, glue, one of my non-fabric scissors, and my round nose tip pliers for the chain that I want to use. First thing I did was measure out the length that I would need my pipe cleaners to be to cover this area of the slipper. I love having everything that I need close at hand, so prepping is important. Once I had all the pieces that I needed, I started gluing the area strip by strip. I didn't want to just take the glue and just place glue all over the area because I want to take my time. I don't want to get messy with it. So I went strip by strip and placed my glue and then placed my pipe cleaner. Now, you don't necessarily have to go into the color pattern that I am. You can go ahead and make your own color pattern and be creative. Once I was finished creating the design on the slipper, I needed to add a chain. Now, it is not needed because it's difficult to see due to all the glittered colors on the design, but I really wanted the chain, so I still added it. Heck, I want it. Once I was finished with my design, I kind of realized it was clashing with this black and daisy print on the slipper. Now, I know when I'm wearing the slipper, no one is really going to see that, but I know it's there and it is disturbing to my aesthetic eye, okay? So, I decided to cover it, and I was super glad when I realized that I still had a piece of the tie-dye denim from the scrunchy video that I did previously, and that tie-dye denim went so well with that design. So all I did was trace out the shape of the slippers and cut that out. Once I had the piece, I needed to cut it down to size to fit into that area neatly. So what I did was place it and then took a marker and kind of traced the groove of the slipper to get the actual size that was needed. Once I had the fit needed, I simply pinned them into place, and I used that and mirrored it for the other side to get the exact size needed. Then I took it to my machine and ran a stitch because I didn't want that frizzed out denim look at the edges. Once I had my completed neat pieces, all I had to do was take my glue and just place glue all over that area and stick my pieces into place. And that was it. My slippers was complete. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Hey. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and feel free to comment and let me know below. And until next time guys, deuces.